What's the meaning of colon? Colon. Colon.
Colon. Colon. The word colon has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to the punctuation mark colon used to introduce a list or an explanation. In medical terms, the colon is a part of the digestive tract responsible for absorbing water and electrolytes from the digested food. It plays a crucial role in forming solid feces. Colon cancer is a malignant tumor that forms in the tissues of the colon. Overall, the term colon has different meanings depending on the field of study or context.